Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, now I will uh, show you how to make RIP authentication. So first we go to Pinet, and first we make the lab first. So we will make new lab and we write RIP au authentication. Okay, next we add and we make the MikroTik first. So we will make the topology like this. We activated the MikroTik and the PC. Okay, after make the topology, first we will set the IP PC1. We will set the name. The role is set PC name PC1. Enter. So we config the IP is IP 192.168.1 and 2/24 one, and the gateway is 192.168.1 and 1. We enter and the IP is already we config, so you'll save. The role is saved and we enter. So the role is done. Next we go to the PC2. We set the name again with the role set PC name and PC2. We enter and we config the IP. IP 192.168.2 and 2/24 and the gateway is 192.168.2 and 1. Enter, and we save. Next we go to the Ether tree. We set the name first, PC3. There we configure the IP 192.168.3.2/24, and the gateway is 192.168.3.1. Enter, and we save. And next we will uh, set the IP address for the router. Okay, and before that I will write in this cable for the IP for easily for us to see the IP. It's 192.168.1/24. This is the network. Apply right here too. 192.168.20/24. This 192.168.30/24. Apply. Right here we will go to the network is 12, 12, 12, and 0/24. Apply. Nah, here 23, 23, 23, and 0/24. Apply. Okay, let's just start to the router one. We enter. We write admin in MikroTik login. Admin just like this. Enter. And the password you just enter. And this click N. And the Control C. First we write the router name. So the rule is system identity set name router one. And if just like this, you just have to delete this and go back again. And this enter. And we will configure the IP address. So the rule is IP at address at address 192.168 and 1/1/24. Interface is Ether1. As you can see right here is Ether1 in connect to the router one. So we write here Ether1. We enter, and we will configure the IP address next. Right here we in the interface for the router one in IP address 12, 12, 12 in Ether 2, as you can see right here, is Ether 2. 12, 12, 12, and 1 slash 24, and the Ether is 2. Enter. And for the router 1, we complete the configuration of IP address. So we will go next to the router 2. Same like before, we write admin, enter, enter, and again, and Control C. We write the name first, so system identity set name router R2, enter, and we just delete again because the pnet it's usually like this. Delete, and we go back again, enter, and the same rule we write again, IP address at address as you see like this right here. So the IP 192.168.0 2 and 0, but the router 1 is 192.168 2 and 1 to 1 slash 24 in right ether 2. So I will config that. 192.168 2 and 1 slash 24 interface ether 2. Enter. Ether 2, sorry, not enter but ether 2. And next we go again to the IP, this one, and connect to the router 2, use the port ether 1. This ether 1, and this is 12, 12, 12, and 2, and we enter. And right there have 1 again, the IP is 23, 23, 23, 1 and slash 24. It's connect to the port ether 3, so we will config that again, that 2. This change to enter 3, and we write the IP is 23, 23, 23, and 1 slash 24. Okay, if just like this, you enter, and config of the IP address in router 2 is finished. So we go to the router 3, admin, enter, and terus system identity set name router 3, enter. Enter IP at address. It's we look the IP first. So IP 192.168.3 and 1 connect to the router 3 with ether 2. So we config right here is ether 2. So the IP is 192.168.3 and 1 slash 24 interface ether. Wait, I forget for the ether 2, sorry, enter. And next we write again the IP of 23 because it's connect to the router 3 with ether 1. So this change to ether 1. Sorry. And right here we write the 23, 23, 23, and 2/24, and we enter. So we will config the routing RIP to the router 1. So the command is RIP routing RIP at routing RIP network at network at network 192 168 1 and 0/24, and we enter. And we routing this because the in connect to the router 1 is IP 192.168.1 and 0 and 12.12.12 0/24. So we will config the RIP route just right in that IP. So this is 12.12.12.12 and 0/24, and we enter. And next we go to the router 2 for the RIP routing 2. The same command is routing RIP network at network. So we will in the IP is this IP 192.168.2 and 1 and 12.12.12 and 23.23.23 because that it's connect to the router 2. So we will just write the IP. First we go to the 192.168.2 and 0/24, enter. And next we write the IP is 12.12.12 and 0/24, enter. Right here too is 23.23.23 0/24, enter. And next we go to the router 3 again. Just like before, we see the connect IP. So the connect IP is 192.168.0.3 and 1. The router 1 is that IP and 23.23.23. I'm sorry, wrong command. So routing RIP network at network is 192.168.3 and 0/24. We enter, and 23.23 before 23.23.23 and 0/24. Why we use the 0? Because the 0 23.23 0 and 192.168.3 and 0 because that it's the network IP. Okay, we enter, and we will check ping for PC1 into the PC2. So we ping to the IP PC. Eh, we just ping to 192.168.3 and 2. Wait, guys.